Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Thursday, October 21, 2021 on our channel. Love Group has received the EcoVadis Bronze Medal. IIAR has released its 2021 State of the Industry report. Proklima, promoting green cooling since 1995. Carrier Transicold's new Supra S10 truck unit. The Kelvion manufacturing site at the Port of Catoosa is expanding. Atmosphere America 2021. So, first news today. Love Group has received the EcoVadis Bronze Medal. Love Group has received the EcoVadis Bronze Medal in the annual sustainability assessment. In 2021, Love Group was in the top 20% of the most virtuous companies in terms of sustainable procurement, and in the top 30% of the best companies for the manufacture of general-purpose machines. EcoVadis is a company which specializes in corporate sustainability assessment, intelligence and collaborative performance improvement tools for global supply chains. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. IIAR has released its 2021 State of the Industry report. The International Institute of Ammonia Refrigeration, IIAR, has released its 2021 State of the Industry report, which provides information on important topics in the natural refrigeration industry. The report summarizes data from the IIAR's annual State of the Industry report survey. It examines the use of ammonia as a refrigerant, and includes information on emerging refrigerants in the current market. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Proklima, promoting green cooling since 1995. The GIZ project and Quat, Proklima and Quat, started a new phase in 2021. It will continue to promote natural refrigerants and energy efficiency following the Quat, green cooling and Quat, approach, which at the same time protects the ozone layer and our climate. The demand for cooling has been increasing for decades. According to estimates, 10 new air conditioning units will be sold every second over the next 30 years, and around 10% of the world's electricity is already used for cooling and air conditioning, and the trend is rising. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Carrier Transicold's new Supra S10 truck unit. The Supra S10 diesel-powered truck refrigeration unit is the new performance leader from Carrier Transicold, with greater refrigeration and freezing capacity for larger trucks while also offering improved efficiency and fuel economy. The Supra S10 unit is ideal for local and regional cold chain distribution operations where the largest box trucks require maximum refrigeration performance, said Scott Parker, Product Manager, Truck Products, Carrier Transicold. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. The Kelvion manufacturing site at the Port of Catoosa is expanding. The Kelvion manufacturing site at the Port of Catoosa, which is an industry leader in the production of heat exchangers for the oil and gas industry, is expanding to meet the growing demand in the North American market. Kelvion, formerly known as IIAR, has been in continual operation since 1964 and has a long history and extensive expertise in the heat transfer industry. Investment in North American facility will increase manufacturing and create jobs. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. Atmosphere America 2021. The 10th edition of Atmosphere America is coming back in a new and innovative format, bringing once more high-quality content to our HVAC and our community, taking place as a two-part summit. Online, November 3, 2021, a one-day, free-to-attend event, bringing you a powerful program covering market trends, policy and standards, discussion on the impact of refrigerants, and end users' experiences with natural refrigerants. Conference content. Keynote presentations. Global and regional policy, regulations and standards. Technology and user presentations. Market trends. Impacts of refrigerants. Panel discussions. Attendees. End users. Policymakers. Manufacturers. Researchers. Academia. NGOs. Associations. Media. Consultants. Other relevant key industry experts and AMP thought leaders. Know more and register. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.